how to use Chat GPT to make thumbnails for YouTube. Let's get into it. Before we get started with this tutorial, I just want to throw a disclaimer out there. We are using the paid version of Chat GPT for this demonstration. That is how we are accessing the Dalle feature within Chat GPT. With that said, let's get making this thumbnail. So here we are in Dalle, and in order for it to create a thumbnail for us, we need to give it a prompt to describe the type of thumbnail that we want to create. Now we can get super creative with this, and this is a really powerful tool. So let's say, for example, I run a health YouTube channel and I am creating a video about how apples are good for your health. Just an example. So let's say we want to use the prompt, a 16:9 image that represents an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now the reason why I've put 16:9 is to make sure that it gives me the correct aspect ratio for YouTube. If I was to just put an image that represents an apple a day keeps the doctor away, the chances are it would give me a square image, which we all know is not the correct aspect ratio for a YouTube thumbnail. So with that prompt inputted, I'm then going to click send message, or you can hit enter on your keyboard, and then Dalle is going to work some magic and create us an image for our thumbnail. This can take a little while to process, so you do need to be patient with it. I'm just going to speed this up just for this video example. So as we can see, Dalle has actually done a pretty decent job of giving us a thumbnail for our YouTube video. There are times where it produces some quite questionable images, so there may be a chance that you have to keep putting in different prompts just to further refine that image that you want to create. But I think this image on the right has done a fantastic job of displaying the type of message that we want to convey. Now by clicking in this image, we can see that we have this little download icon up at the top here. And by clicking that, it will simply download it to my computer, and I can go ahead and either customize that further or just straight up upload it to my YouTube video. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more creative fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.